Jewelries, Rizal here! Welcome back to my channel! Today is going to be another haul video and alam ko, marami sa inyo gusto yung haul and yeah, ako din, gusto ko din haul. So I have here some skincare as seen on TV products, a lipstick, actually a Colourette lipstick, I'm gonna show you guys later. And then, ano pa ba yung meron ako dito? Yeah, nasabi ko na skincare and then, oh, jewelries! I'm gonna start with the lipstick that I have on right now because I am reviewing this lipstick right now. I literally just got this today. So I was cleaning the house and then my mom said, hey, you have a package, it's really tiny. I was like, that's my lipstick. Ito yung Colourette lipstick. This is in the shade Bethany and I have a swatch right here. They describe the shade as dark nude and yeah, parang siyang dark na mauve na nude. Please watch out for my review. I will have the review up really soon. My total became 600 plus because mayroong shipping. I got this from Lazada. It's 549 pesos and I should have asked you guys before I actually bought the lipstick kasi when I posted that picture, a lot of you guys said, hey, you should check out Instagram kasi meron sa Instagram na mas mura, 499 lang, 499, 449, basta. And it was too late kasi na-order ko na siya. Anywho, let's proceed to the stuff that I got from Hermosa Shoppe. I will leave their links below. I will leave their links below as usual. She gave me two of the placenta collagen hydration mask, age-defying and skin whitening facial mask. So it says here it will provide skin whitening, skin smoothing and softening, remove skin dark spots, moisturizing, anti-aging for all skin types, premium quality. I will leave all the product information and prices and again the links of the shops, you guys, if you're interested. I haven't used this. Let me know if you've used this. This is really interesting. I can't wait. Wait, merong dalawang mask sa loob? Meron kasing dalawang mask dito. I'm not sure. Siguro isa lang. And then I also have the Nature Beauty Collagen and Glutathione Perfect Magic Peeling Cream. I have not used this yet. Gentle Action Gel, perfect for deep and thorough exfoliation. It is suitable use to remove the cuticle on the face. Wait, my cuticle yung face? Hands, body, elbows, and knees. Leaves your skin delicate and whiten. That's exciting. May peeling na effect. And then the last one from Hermosa Shoppe is this, the Hermosa fragrance inspired by light blue. So yung fragrance na to is original from Hermosa Shoppe talaga. Wow, oh, that smells good. Actually smells really fresh. That's it from Hermosa Shoppe. Thank you so much, sis. And to the stuff that I got from Brian_stuff on Instagram. She is selling mostly as seen on TV products. This one, I already did a review on. That video is actually uploading right now. This is the Feel Beautiful UV Light Nail Dryers. So yeah, it looks like this. Looks like parang UFO something. Meron na tong battery eh. So nagla-light up siya ng ganyan. Tapos meron siyang UV light and yeah. And then I also have this 3D Bomb Curl Brush. Looks like this. Yep. I will also do a review on this, but I'm still trying to figure out how to use it because I'm not really good with hair. It's supposed to give you like really nice wavy curls, but to be honest with you guys, I have tried this many times. It didn't work. So I'm still trying to figure out. Like, pagdating ng kapatid ko, I will try it on her hair and see if it works. And then she also sent me this travel, what do you call this? Travel thingy. Like travel, what do you call this? Basta, meron siya nito malaki, tapos meron din siya yung mini version. Pinili ko yung malaki kasi gusto ko yung magkasya talaga yung boarding pass, yung hindi ko siya kailangan itupi, you know what I mean? I got the maroon, as you guys can see. I cannot wait to use this. Kasi nantagal ko na gusto magkaroon nito, and finally, I have one. Thank you so much, sis Julie Ann. So that's her name. Thank you so much, sis. I really like that. And then there's more. She also sent me two nail polishes because she knows me. I love nail polishes. This one is Yoko nail polish. Parang siyang may pagka-plum na color. And then this one is brown. I love brown nail polishes. This one says enjoy color. It reminds me of the ice cream nail polish from Food House. So yeah, really nice. Thank you so much. Lastly, you guys, I have some jewelries from, of course, Kim's Collections 2015. Hi Kim, thank you so much. Binigyan niya sa mama ng necklace and si mama ko was really happy. Kahapon ko dun na-receive, tapos inopen ko yung package dun sa tindahan pagka-receive ko, and then nakita ko yung note na mayroong para kay mama. So binigay ko agad-agad sa kanya. So yung isa dito na kay mama na. Oh, I'm wearing one right now. Ito yung cross na na necklace. I really, really like it. Gusto ko siya. That's why sinuot ko na siya agad-agad. I'm gonna start with this one. Sabi niya, alam ko gusto mo mga dainty, pero alam kong bagay ito sa'yo. She's so nice. This reminds me of my nursing days. Ito yung heartbeat na ganap. Oh, diba? I really like it. I actually tried it on yesterday, and yes, I really, really do like it. Oh, the cross is 280. Nandito pala yung price. So, yung cross 280, yung heartbeat 450 siya. Hindi lang siya like heartbeat ha. Meron din siyang heart na ganap sa gilid. So, that's really cute. Perfect sa mga doctor or nurses natin dyan. Actually, my sister have been eyeing this. Ang sweet niya talaga kasi may note pa talaga sa each necklaces. This one, oh my gosh, I'm really excited. Ito sana isusot ko ngayon. Very, very dainty, you guys. Bakit ang ingay? Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear this. Sobrang ganda ng chain nito. Yung chain niya, I'm not really sure if you can tell, pero mas dainty, mas manipis siya compared sa cross at saka yung heart na necklace na paborito ko. This one is on sale right now. I am not sure kung magkano yung original price niya, but she said it's on sale for 500 pesos. And then here is yung necklace niya binigay niya kay mama, yung Tffany & Co. inspired necklace. It's a big heart pendant necklace and mama is wearing it right now. I'm just gonna take a picture and post it somewhere. Yung Tffany & Co. inspired is 380 and my mom really, really likes it. Thank you so much. As in, sobrang saya ni mama nung na-receive niya yun. As in, pagka-receive, alam niya na sa kanya. Suot niya agad-agad at hindi na hinubad. Bongga. And you guys, Kim is really freaking generous to give two of you guys my favorite necklace, yung heart na necklace. I have two right here. You guys see that? Yeah, you will get this. And then pakita ko din sa inyo yung isa kahit magkapareho lang sila. And this. So, ilalagay ko below yung mechanics on how to join the giveaway. Thank you so much, Kim, sa pang-giveaway. And of course, thank you so much sa mga jewelries. And that's basically it for this haul. Please do like the video because that's part of the mechanics for the giveaway. And also, please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye, guys! So, it says here, wait, nasa na yun? It is suitable to use to remove. Pagdating ng kapatid ko, I will try it on it. And then, oops.